Hey everybody, this is going to be a quick review of the X-Pac waterproof fishing bag. So I just want to give you a quick demonstration and show you what it looks like with a couple different configurations. So you have a few different mounting points down at the bottom here with these high quality rings. If I didn't already say, this bag is waterproof as well. So if you wanted to maybe wear it as like a waist bag, you can put your hook right here on this one, and then it has the buckle here. You can just wrap it around your waist right there if that's what you desire, or what I prefer is putting it on one of these pockets right here, so it's like a crossbody bag. And then I'll go ahead and show you. There's plenty of room in this for all types of fishing gear. You could even put a collapsible pole in here if you wanted. This is 600 fishing hooks, so plenty of hooks for your average fishing bags. And then that was some fishing line as well. Got a knife in here, and there's still tons of room. If you wanted, you could probably fit 2 collapsible fishing poles down in there, and then put your bait and the rest of your tackle in here. It also has this strap if you wanted to put something on the outside. It has this little elastic piece if you wanted to put whatever on the outside there. It has this stretchy pocket here for your drink, or once again if you wanted to put bait or something that you didn't want on the inside down in there. And then it has this little pocket. It's another nice little pocket. And coolest part about this whole bag is that it's waterproof, so you don't have to worry about your stuff getting wet on the inside. Take it off and show you a little pocket down here for if you want to put some paper down there, your fishing license or whatnot. You can throw that down in there. So an awesome bag, and I highly recommend it.